Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5089573 or KB5092427 on your Windows 11 computer because of this error code, that is 0x800f0983. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update your Windows 11. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5089573 or this update. Now click on search over here. Let me change the language over here. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on winver run command. Now in my case it's version 25H2, so check your Windows version and then go to Windows System and then go to About option. Check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5089573. click on the update and you can download this update. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your PC. After the system restart you can check. Still not working, reset Windows update components. You can copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy all these commands and then open Notepad and then paste all the command in Notepad. Go to file, save as. You can save it to desktop. You can name this file as wuauserv.bat file and then click on save. Go to desktop. Here you can see the bat file, so make a right click on wuauserv.bat file and make sure that you run this as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow and let the process complete. Now this process will take some time. First of all, it will stop all the Windows update services. If you receive this prompt, do you want to continue this operation, type in Y for yes, hit the enter key. So it will stop all the Windows update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are multiple scans, so the scan process will take some time, and once done it will start all the Windows update components, and then once this is complete it will close automatically, or you can, once this is complete, you can restart your computer. Restart is a must after this, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows update and then go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved, so click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, log into the computer and then you can check. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and then let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds to close. Once closed, make a double click on Windows ISO file on desktop. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.